Hey, babe. How about dinner tonight?
You know, I'm not your babe, and wasn't lunch the other day enough?
Enough what?
Enough of you.
Please?
Beg.
Pretty, please?
More.
I dare you.
No. That's not gonna work this time.
You're a funny girl.
Yeah, I keep him in stitches.
Hey, Mark.
What could he possibly want now?
No gunplay.
No promises. Yeah,
Hey, man, you want a beer?
sure. Thanks.
So in mine?
Don't you have to close out a till?
No.
Hey, can you hold this for a second?
Yeah.
Here. Thanks. There you go.
What did you need?
Need to get you a beer.
We're closed.
Oh, well, you know, it's just the naked bike ride tomorrow night. I got a poster.
Damn.
Hey.
Tomorrow night?
Yeah, kind of late notice, but the poster guy's copier broke down.
Actually, you're right on time.
Cool. Well, where can I tape it up?
Oh, no, I'll take care of it.
Right on. You gonna come down tomorrow night?
Yeah, see you there.
Bring your friends.
All right.
Can't wait to see you naked.
Tonight on the waterfront park? Right. I'll be there with my birthday suit on. 8 p.m. See you there. Bye.
So, what did you say?
What did I say?
What did you say about dinner?
Oh, I'm busy.
You're busy.
Busy.
Doing what?
None of your business. Go home.
Hey, I thought I was home.
You know, you're not my boyfriend, and even if you were, you know, you wouldn't know what I was doing every single minute of the day, you know? And I'm not some dairy girl from Wisconsin. You know, I'm from Oregon. We're independent women. You just wouldn't know. You just wouldn't. You don't own me, and I'm my own person. Okay? You got that?
I'm sorry. It was the beer talking.
Oh yeah? Well, tell the beer to shut up.
Dude, you pissed her off. I can't stay mad at you.
Hi. Is Steve here?
Yeah, she's inside.
Are you Conrad?
Yeah?
I'm Nicole.
Good eye, Nicole.
Are you gonna come with us?
No, I don't think so.
Oh, that's a pity. There's always too many girls on these naked bike rides.
The naked bike ride?
Yeah!
Croc.
Check it out. It's tonight.
Huh. Naked bike ride. Well, I'll be.
Yeah, you can keep that.
Oh, thanks. I'll, you know, I should probably get.
You know, we're all naked under our clothes.
Yes, we are.
Yeah, that's good.
Naked!